Ini Pak, pasirnya sudah di permukaan, tampan sementara pasirnya lebih halus dan lembut memang. Ini mes kemungkinan di 60 sampai 140 mes.
This is the depth is approximately 1.5 meter down. This is the sand. You can see. Yeah. Hopefully it will match your expectation, sir. Supir merangkap videographer. Come on, explain, Mr. Firiwan. This is how it looks like.
Yes, it's like as you see, the wall is full with the silica sand. But we have drilling for the detail. We have been drilling for the detail. The silica sand is very soft. I think the mesh is about 60 till 100. The mesh, the size, the size. Because it's so far away from the sea, I think the iron content is very low. But I'm gonna let it for you.